Hey everyone, this video today is about Nio Stock news. This is one of Nio's cars. It's really awesome. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. This one here is called the EP9. Obviously it has zero emissions because it's a electric vehicle. It has a max speed of 313 kilometers per hour and 0 to 200 kilometers per hour. 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in 7.1 seconds. Now, I don't know anything about kilometers, but I guarantee you that's freaking fast. And it has a peak power of 1 megawatt. I'm not sure how powerful that is compared to most other EVs either, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot more than your standard Tesla. Speaking of Tesla, who's with me on this? I think Nio cars look spectacular compared to Tesla. And I'm not an EV fan. I like gas-powered cars, but this thing looks freaking awesome. So Elon Musk, start taking some notes, man. Look at this design. Freaking great. Switch to aerodynamics. Look at that. It's a beautiful car. I have no idea how much it cost. But anyways, let's get back to the main subject of this video, which is Nio CYVN formed JV Nio MENA to tap Middle East and North Africa markets. Nio and CYVN plan to collaborate on a new EV project involving research, manufacturing, and future product launches. So you can see them all together. They say these guys are Egyptian. They look more like from Afghanistan, but I could be wrong, I guess. But it doesn't really matter. But Nio has announced formation of a joint venture in Middle East to expand into the Middle East and North Africa MENA market with plans for local production. The Chinese electric vehicle maker today announced the formation of Nio MENA with its Middle East backer, Abu Dhabi-based CYVN Holdings, in a partnership that marks Nio's entry into the MENA market. An agreement was signed on October 4th in the presence of the President of the United Arab Emirates, as well as the President of Egypt, in what William Lee, Nio's founder and chairman and CEO, called an important day in the company's globalization process. The two presidents experienced the Nio ES8, the Envo L60, and a new car that has yet to be unveiled, according to Lee. Let's see here. So you can see him sitting in the car here, checking it out. Nio MENA will introduce models from Nio and its sub-brands to the MENA market, expanding its footprint and further integrating into the global smart EV ecosystem, according to a statement. The UAE has been selected as initial market for Nio MENA, positioning the region as a key player in the deployment of advanced autonomous driving systems and battery swap technologies. As part of the broader regional vision, Nio and CYVN plan to collaborate on a new EV project involving research, manufacturing, and future product launches. So Nio CYVN also plan to establish research development in Abu Dhabi that will focus on the development of autonomous driving and artificial intelligence, according to the EV maker's statement in English. Separately, Lee said in a post on Nio app that the company will work jointly with CYVN to develop an all-new model for the local market. Nio will start deliveries in the UAE in the fourth quarter of this year, offering Nio's full system of services to customers in the MENA region in the UAE, Lee said. So I believe that's Lee that's standing right there. I don't know the name of the other president. CYVN completed two investments in Nio totaling $3.3 billion in 2023, making it the largest shareholder in the Chinese EV maker, with a stake of about 20.1%. On February 7th of this year, Nio's board of directors changed with addition of 2 people appointed by CYVN. February 26, Nio announced had entered into a technology licensing agreement with 47 Limited, a subsidiary of CYVN, a UK-based EV startup company bankrolled by CYVN. Now, some of you may be asking, what is CYVN? So here we're on the actual website, CYVN Holdings. I don't know why it's hard for me to say that. It doesn't roll off the tongue very easily. So, CYVN Holdings is a growth equity investor in the future of mobility owned by government of Abu Dhabi. We invest and partner with leaders globally to support innovators and expanding businesses in the mobile sector. I don't think anything else is going to click down. And then they just have the contact information down below. So what does that all mean? Basically, we're hoping it's going to equivalent to the rising stock market, rising Nio Stock price. So we're hoping that it's going to raise this sucker up. So right here we're looking at the day chart. Let's look at the 1 month. Okay, so it was 557 on Monday, September 9th. Then went 528, went back down to 502, and then it started to climb up a little bit toward the end of September. Had a little bit of a dip, and September 26th is where it started to ascend again. So you can see it's going up. Got up 721. Now it's kind of dropping down a little bit again, but this is an ascending pattern, and I believe it's going to continue to rise. I don't know how high and how quickly, but if you guys have watched my previous videos, during October in 2020 was a very crucial month for Nio, and I think it's going to kind of emulate the way it skyrocketed last time. It caught everybody off guard, but not me. I managed to get in there and make a lot of money off of Nio because I got in pretty early, and then I dollar cost average and just kept adding more as I was going along because I wanted to make sure that it was indeed going up, and it kept going, and it went all the way up to $61, I think it was. This time I don't know how high it's going to go, or if it's going to be able to do it before the end of the year. Some people are saying that it might hit $30 by next year. That could be. But I'm telling you one thing. If you get in at $6.77 or even $7, get as many shares as you can. If that thing goes up to $30, that is a huge, significant profit that you will make. I'm telling you that right now. So let's go to the 1 year chart real quick. Everybody thinks this that is high, but way back in December 2023, it was at 943, and then it dropped, and now it's starting to ascend again. But it took, let's see, from December 28th, I mean, we're looking at almost a year there of time that it took. It took a long time to drop down and consolidate, but now it's starting to ascend, and let's see how long that's going to take. I don't think it's going to take a year to get back to 943 or so. I think we're looking at being able to hit. I think we're going to hit $9. Not $9. Yeah, maybe even that. Between $9 and $10 pretty quickly here. It's not going to take a year, I'm telling you that. It's going to be much, much less. So you guys better get in, get your shares, and hold on. Because this is going to be a rough ride, but it's going to be fun. It's going to be a bull ride, a bull run. So that's it for this particular video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to be having many, many more videos regarding this topic on Nio and also some other stocks as well that I'm interested in. So put in the comment section below how many shares do you guys currently have. What is your average cost and do you plan to buy more? So make sure you make sure you hit the like button, please. Like the video because I want as many people to see this as possible. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I make my new videos. I'm going to be uploading every day, at least one video per day. So we'll see you in the next one.